Funny, ain't it? You never forget some things in your life. First time you rode a bicycle, drove a car, first piece of ass. Funny, I never thought about love much. It was this puppy I had once. I really never paid that much attention to it. Played with it and shit like that, but I never thought I cared for it all that much, you know. I found it one day all stiff and dead. It bawled my guts out all day and night. I was driving one day from El Paso to San Antonio in my pickup truck. I was going to pick up some special shit for my pop. When I say shit, I mean shit. It was some kind of special manure for some crops the old man was trying to grow. I don't know. Anyway, I was driving back to Paso and I passed this road bar. I wasn't going to stop. In fact, I passed the damn thing 2 blocks when I got to thinking about all that shit on my pickup truck and that fucking heat. Hauling all the way back to Paso. That's when I decided, fuck it. And pulled into this company lot. Max Lumberyard. That was the name on that sign. Max Lumberyard. Anyway, I made it back to that bar. It wasn't nothing special, just a fucking tavern like any other. I sat at the bar and ordered some Jack. Hell, I ordered a bunch before I noticed her sitting at the other end of the bar. She sat there looking, you know, kind of looked at such things. She was smart, but not book learning smart, just experience smart, you know. She was lonely, but not desperate lonely, you know. You know what I mean? Her looking at me made me feel kind of funny inside, you know. Kind of like I felt with that puppy. Went to the jukebox and picked out one of them dancing songs. Patsy Cline or Loretta Lynn. I can't quite remember. Anyway, I asked her to dance. At first, she kind of hesitated, you know. Then, without a word, she got up and opened her arms so I could put my arms around her waist. We danced, and then we danced some more. Never once saying a word, just dancing. Slow and close. After a while, I excused myself to go to the head. When I got back, she was gone. Never got her name. Hell, I don't even know what her voice sounded like. I kind of pictured it as being soft and deep. Sultry kind of like, you know. Funny, I don't remember a lot of what happened that day. I sure remember the name of that a lot, though. With Max Lumberyard. Yeah, it's a lie, you know. And not all of it, just some of it. I did go to San Antonio, alright, and I was going to pick there some shit for the old man. I did stop at that fucking bar, but the rest is a fucking lie. I never did meet no woman. Yeah, she was there alright, but I never did ask her to dance, and we never danced to no Patsy Cline or no Loretta Lynn. I just trying to think if all that would have happened. Maybe I wouldn't have drank all them jacks, and maybe I wouldn't have got to fighting with that loud-mouthed son of a bitch and fucking punk. Yeah, maybe I wouldn't have shot the son of a bitch. Maybe I wouldn't be here in this cell waiting to die by that gas. Max Lumberyard. Go figure.